the absolute value of 5 minus x, when is it smaller than 3? Let's figure it out. Okay, so initially we're just going to plug in, or just put a 5 here, because that's the number that makes the absolute value 0. And numbers that are smaller than 5, so this area right here, numbers that are smaller than 5 will make the absolute value positive. So we don't need to switch the signal over here. So we can just say that 5 minus x is equal to 3, just to find the intersection point. And to the right of 5, numbers that are greater than 5 will make this smaller than 0. So we want to switch the signal, because whatever values that are negative are going to turn positive for the absolute value. Great. So we put the negative outside. Okay, so 5 minus x is 3. I can subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. These guys cancel out. You get negative x is equal to 3 minus 5, negative 2. Then you can divide both sides by negative 1. And x is 2. So I'll plug in the 2 right here. 2. And so that's a pretty important value. Now I can distribute the negative. I get negative 5. Negative negative makes it positive, so plus x is equal to 3. I'll add 5 to both sides of the equation. And we get x equals 8. Then we plug the 8 in right here for the number line. Okay, so now we have 3 areas that we need to test. Smaller than 2, between 2 and 8, and greater than 8. And I'll pick a different value to test for each one of them. For the first area, I'll pick 0, because that's smaller than 2. Between 2 and 8, I'll pick a 5. And greater than 8, I'll just pick a 10. Alright, so let's plug all of them in, starting with 0. So 5 minus 0, is that smaller than 3? The absolute value of 5 is not smaller than 3, so that does not work out. This area doesn't work. What about the middle area, between 2 and 8? So let's plug in the 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0. And that is smaller than 3, so that works. So this whole area over here works. What about the area greater than 8? So 8 minus... Oh, sorry. Keep making these silly mistakes. So 5 minus 8 is that... and once again, I should have picked 10, not 8. I'm so sorry about that. I'm just out of it today. I should have had more caffeine, to be honest. So 5 minus 10 is negative 5. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. 5 is not smaller than 3. That does not work. So the only solution area is between 2 and 8. So that is the solution right here. Between 2 and 8. So we can say that x is in between 2 and 8. That's it.